So we have the diesel heater ran in the back of the FSR tent. There are two inlets, one for each side, and as you can see, I have it ran in there. The exhaust is pointing away from the tent, and we're going to heat this up and see how warm it gets inside, and give this diesel heater its first go. We have the diesel heater going. It's set at 3 hertz. You can see the tube here. It's coming through the back of the FSR tent. See the tag moving around there. We have all of the windows closed. And that little heater is kicking. Currently 51 degrees in here, 30 degrees outside, and we just started this heater. So we started off on 3 and it was getting to like 72 degrees inside the tent. It was getting way too hot. So we have it turned down to 2 right now, and it is cooled off in here some. It's currently holding 62 degrees. It is 40 degrees outside. So we're gonna go ahead and see how the tent likes this, but currently we have it turned down to 2 because it is way too hot.
So the heater is still going. It is 7:30 a.m. in the morning. Temperatures got down to 31 last night. It is currently 59 in the tent. You can hear the heater is kicking up. We did have some rain all night, and it stayed pretty comfortable in here. The thermostat worked well, just varied up and down, and kept the tent around 60 degrees. So the diesel heater is working good. I highly recommend getting a diesel heater. Slept pretty comfortable, so we're gonna just kind of relax here a little bit more. And if you like this type of video, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.